This is a retaining wall, so's this, and this. Some use gravity, some use soil stabilization. Either way, they're trying to keep the dirt up here from ending up over here. Uh-oh. Quick history lesson. The engineers and other smart guys at Verti-Block have been designing awesome-looking precast concrete walls for decades. But several years ago, they came up with an idea for a retaining wall that was more durable, lighter, and better looking than anything on the market. Yeah, that's a napkin, where some of the best ideas are created. See, gravity retaining walls rely on gravity to hold them in place. So by nature, they're really heavy. Big heavy walls tend to hold back more stuff, but that also means they're expensive to ship and hard to put together. Retaining walls also have one common enemy: hydrostatic pressure, or the weight of water behind the wall that wants to move that wall somewhere else. But what if a simple design element solved all of these problems? What if your wall blocks had an open core that you could infill with gravel that connected right to a perforated drain? Then you'd have a Verti-Block. It's 50% lighter than a concrete block of the same size, so it's cheaper to make and ship and easier to put in place. But it gets the weight it needs from the aggregate used to infill its drainage columns, which also coincidentally relieves hydrostatic pressure by taking the water down to a perforated pipe that runs under the base of the wall. The shape of the block aligns the concrete's compressive strength with the pressures acting against it. This gives you a wall with the strength of a solid mass, but uses much less concrete. If that wasn't enough, these blocks are constructed with interlocking shear lugs for a stronger connection. You can shake on that, mate. And if that hill you're trying to hold back gets even steeper or meaner, gravity alone may not do the trick. Verti-Block walls are designed to integrate easily with GeoGrid, so you can stabilize the soil and lock the wall in place. Finally, what makes these blocks truly unique is that the molds for them are created from actual rock, so they look like actual rock. And because of their design, we can make them wider, taller and deeper, giving them more stability and allowing you to build a wall even faster, because it takes fewer blocks to build it. So with Verti-Block, you get a more durable and better looking wall that goes up faster, costs less, and holds back more hill. Right look, right strength, right size. Do yourself a favour. Request a quote from vertiblock.com today.